Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use SchoolCam. After you install the app, you can tap the login button to start the login process. You will have to choose your school-provided Google account right here on this screen. Then you can follow the prompts. You will have to give permission to SchoolCam to write to your Google Drive. After you do that, then you'll be presented with the folders screen. Depending on the configuration of your school, this screen may look a bit different, but you will see likely a user folder that has been assigned to you, the recent folders that you have used, the school folders that have been assigned to you. These are shared folders that multiple people in your staff will be able to upload to, and if the school allows it, to pick any folder in your own Google Drive. So if I tap here in the choose existing folder, I will be able to pick any folder in Google Drive that I have access to, including my drive, shared drives, and share with me. Here in this example, I will pick this folder that I had previously created for this demo. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to go inside of it. Then I can tap the camera button. What this does is to set this demo folder as the current upload folder. So if I take a few photos here, and because this is a demo, and this is a simulator, it does not show an actual camera, but in your case, it'll show the camera. And as you saw, I already took a couple more photos, and these photos will be immediately uploaded to Google Drive. So let me bring my Google Drive here, and you'll see the 4 photos that I already took are right here, okay, already in Google Drive. So now I will go back to this, and if I want to change where I want the photos to go, then I can tap the folder button here, select any other folder, and then all the new photos that I take will go to the folder that I select. So for example, this folder right here. If I take another photo, then that photo will actually upload to this new folder I selected. Also, if I take a photo and I tap on the preview, then I can actually enter details for this photo. So I, for example, want to call this photo differently and add some notes, and then I can hit save. Then I can go review if there is any pending photos uploading. So for that, I can tap the uploads button, and in my case, all photos have already uploaded, but if you have any pending photos, will show up here. This is sometimes when you don't have good Wi-Fi connection, that you will see the photos waiting to be uploaded here. In the My Photos tab, you will see all the photos that I have already uploaded, and here you can browse them, and from here you can also delete or share them. This is a quick overview of the app. I hope you will find the app useful, and please let us know if you have any questions or need any support as you start using it. Thanks so much.